I get dreams of fucking a rat bitch. Drive a Bentley bitch. I'm trying to fuck in the Bentley bitch. I got dreams to fuck a rat bitch. I had a dream I was a drug lord. Instead I was a rapper in the bathtub with chains on. Gold ones with my wet bottle. 24 million nigga. I put a bubble butt in the middle of the motherfucking city, nigga. My motherfucking room, are you silly? I'm Diddy, I got a Bentley. I went to Howard daily. I've been driving past on the bus, and now we're Benz. And how I get that? Selling crack, my friends, amigo. I'm a drug lord in a dream, but instead I'm a rapper in a bubble bath. In the middle of my motherfucking apartment. Get the jacuzzi, you know me. The new jack with the Uzi, you know the rules. I'm trying to move on to a Bentley with the jewels. Stolen from a heist. I'm a great MC, so I'm super nice. Criminal most wanted. 24 million for this Billy the Kid. Clever, a beta, cause I'm way better than an alpha. I am just clever, kinda like Christ. I'm down for whatever. I make the city cry when I give them a slice of these 4 barrels. I had a dream, I was a drug lord. Instead I was a rapper in a bubble bath. With my wet, my soul taking a bubble bath. I'm a king, God's the king of kings. So you gon' feel my wrath. Lightning and thunder is my path. Cocaine, a bunch of cocaine. Bricks after bricks, bricks after bricks. I had a dream I was a drug lord, but instead I was a rapper taking a bubble bath. Hood G, Big Dub.